Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of how to move your YouTube channel to a brand account. So let's get started. Click on your profile picture. Click Switch Account. Click View All Channels. Click Create a Channel. If you already have a brand account, you can skip this step. Enter your channel name, tick the checkbox to agree to Google's terms of service, and click Create. Now, click on your profile icon. Click Switch Account. Select your personal channel. Click on your profile icon again. Click on YouTube Studio. Click on Settings. Click Channel. Go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and click Manage YouTube Account. Click View Advanced Settings. Click Move Channel to a brand account. Log into your account by entering your password to verify it's you. Click on Replace. Agree to the conditions by ticking the checkbox and click Delete Channel. Click Move Channel. That's it. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.